Okay guys, so I've been using Dehancer for a few years now, and while I did like it, I wasn't always happy with the results I got. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my old method versus my new method when I'm using Dehancer. So this method isn't nothing new. I learned this from Darren Mauston, who is a professional colorist. And I also taught this in my color grading crash course. So if you're interested in learning color grading while having to use LUTs or learning to use them in a different way, you should definitely check it out, and my link is below. Now let's dive into Resolve. Okay guys, so now we're in Resolve, and the first thing I'm gonna do is click this node right here, because for this clip, I'm gonna actually convert my image into Rec 709 using the color space transform. So I'm gonna just go there. I'm gonna drop down onto our node, and this was shot with an ARRI mirror. So I'm gonna go to ARRI gamma 3, input gamma, ARRI log C3, output color space will be Rec 709. Output gamma and gamma 2.4. Now the next thing I'm about to do is actually go to our next clip, and I'm gonna convert this into Rec 709 using Dehancer. So I'm gonna drop down to our ODT. I'm gonna go to source. I'm gonna choose camera. I'm gonna go to vendor. I'm gonna select ARRI. And for this one, I'm gonna select the Alexa Mini because they give me our ARRI log C3. Now, as you can see, our images are totally different, but this is what I'm about to show you right here. So I'm gonna go down to print. No, actually, I'm gonna go down to grain. I'm gonna deselect that. Then print. I'm gonna go down to Kodak 2383. Then I'm gonna just keep this Kodak Vision 3 250D. Now I'm about to go here. I'm about to go and drop Dehancer onto that node, and I'm gonna keep this here. And I'm also going to choose the Kodak 2383. And as you can see, there is a huge difference. Let me shut off the grain. There is a huge difference between our results. And actually, I like this a lot better, because the reason is because when I convert our footage with Dehancer, it looks kind of heavy-handed compared to this right here. And honestly, this is my new way to convert my footage with Dehancer. And it really don't matter if you have your last node here or before your ODT, but if it is before your ODT, then your source wouldn't be Rec 709, it would be DaVinci wide gamut or DaVinci intermediate. That's what it would be, because until you pass this node, you're still in the DaVinci intermediate color space. Now this is a spec ad I did, and I used Dehancer to grade it. Like, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Now I'm gonna just go through my node tree. I'm gonna go through exactly what I did. So I did the IDT ODT method. So I took ARRI log C3 to DaVinci intermediate, and then I worked on my contrast, and then I worked on my saturation, and then I worked on my white balance. And then I brought in Dehancer to give me the look I was going for. And then I just adjusted my colors just a little bit. I didn't use the HSL because I liked them exactly where they was at. And that's pretty much all I did for this image. And like I said earlier, I taught this in my Novice color grade crash course. So you're interested in learning color grading, please feel free to check the link down below. And don't forget that you can save 10% by using the code James10 when you purchase Dehancer. Thank you guys for checking out the video, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And before you go, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.